Welcome to Dr. Digit channel. This is Venkateswaran for Dr. Digit. Before getting into the session, kindly subscribe my channel with the notification button. Then only you will get your updates properly. Come to the channel. So before getting into placements, you may raise a question: what type of companies will come for placements? So I have listed 6 type of companies that is available in India. Totally there are 6 modules who come to our campus and recruit students. First one is product companies, then the second one is IT or tech service companies, third one is MNCs, fourth one is startups, fifth one is core companies, and the sixth one is non-tech companies that will suit for roles in their companies. Okay, let us see what are all these mean. What is a product company? Like that we can see in coming sessions. Okay, these are the 6 companies they will look for campus. So the first one is product companies. So what product companies mean? They are the tech products. They are going to sell their product, tech products to the customers. Example: Adobe, Google, Amazon, Flipkart will come under these product companies. So these companies will come to our campus to recruit students, whether in IT field or non-computer science. Both the branches they will take. So these are the companies called as product companies. There are number of companies there in India. Now I have given some examples like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart. So these are ranked in the top. So every year we will have like this. So the second one is IT or tech based service companies. These is a set of companies that provide service to other companies like banking, product based companies and service based companies. The biggest example of this type of companies are nothing but Tata Consulting Services, Accenture, Infosys and Cognizant, even Wipro. Okay, this company will hire big in numbers. They give lot of opportunities to student to hire. Okay, let us see the next one. Third one is multinational companies. It is a mixture of product companies and IT or tech based companies. So it is a combination. The best example of this type of MNC are Oracle, Google, Microsoft. They are operating in India itself. They mostly come for campus interviews and their salary package will be higher than any other product services. So the freshers can also enter into MNCs. MNCs is a large scale of industry. The fourth one is startups. The companies that are operating below 5 years are called as startups. They can be product based tech startups or IT based services or non-tech companies, or the concept that can go beyond any of these categories. For example, Ola, Zomato, Zoho, Freshdesk, like that. Even you can see OLX. So these are companies are called as startups. They also look for students to work with them. So next one is core companies. For example, a chemistry student will go for a chemist job. A biotechnology student will go for a lab like that, microbiology, biochemistry. So the company that is operating on the core is called as core companies. For example, Tata Motor, they will recruit mechanical people for the office support or the production support or whatever it may be. For example, if suppose let's say some construction is going to select, they will select civil engineers. So these are called as core companies. So the last one is non-tech companies. For example, they will look for analytics job, office support, back office, calls, finance operations or consulting. Any other category that have not listed in the top 5 will come under non-tech companies. These are the general companies that is around us. So they will pay somewhat less. Now let us come for types of campus placement. There are 2 types of campus placement. One is on campus and another one is off campus. So what is on campus? On campus is the thing where you are studying, the company will come, will recruit you. The process, interview process will happen in college campus itself. It is called as on campus placement. The college organization will call the best companies to select their students They will go for interview session in the campus itself. You will be recruited from the campus itself. It is called as on-campus placement. The second type of campus placement is off-campus placement. Here there will be no network between the institution and the student. After completing his degree, he will go out of the campus and he will look for a job on his own by his friends network or by advertisements, or it will be anyway. He has to seek the employment on his own. Many students will suffer in off-campus rather than on-campus placement. So you may ask where I can get ready for my placement syllabus. Today world is full of network. I have listed some best sites and Android apps that will help you to prepare for the placement. The best sites, Geeks for Geeks is there, Experts Global is there, My AMCAT is there. Likewise, Android apps you can download in your phone. Quantity aptitude formula, Smart Think aptitude test, Gate, Pocket, Learn aptitude. So many apps and sites are available in net itself. You can select and start studying from the day now itself. Thank you for watching Dr. Digit.